Welcome back mga papa. I'm sure everyone is very happy. Finally, after 4 losses, our Gilas Pilipinas notch a win, lalo na ang China ang tinalo natin. But before we start our vlog today, if you love sports like we do, please support us by clicking that subscribe button. Sama mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga video natin na lalabas. Check lang natin mga papa, what happened on our campaign on this World Cup. Hindi ako expert mga papa at analyst. This is just my personal observation. Una na dyan mga papa is of course JZ in the wins against China. Jordan Clarkson proved he is the man. In just 4 minutes in the third quarter, he put up 20 points including 5 3-point shot. May vlog tayo dyan mga papa, how valuable JC sa Gilas Pilipinas, at kung di nyo pa napapanood dyan, please check it out. Second mga papa, Renz Abando belong in the floor, not in the bench. Kita naman yung energy na dinadala ni Renz sa laro. Sayang nga lang mga papa, sa ibang games hindi siya nabigyan ng maraming minuto. Third mga papa, the Kraken is now a factor. Kitang-kita naman mga papa how big yung impact now ni Junmar kumpara sa mga nakaraang World Cup. The B-League and KBL boys prove that playing in other leagues could help a lot. Kita naman sa laro ni Papa Dwight, Renz and even keeper was able to contribute also. Kai on the other hand was able to put a decent performance. The power of the social media. Well, isa ang Papa Sports World sa nagnanais na magkaroon ng pagbabago sa SBP. Pero yung ibo natin ang sarili nating coach in an actual game was a big no-no. Kita naman natin, pati players was affected at may factor yan sa laro. With the social media, nagkaroon na po tayo ng sobrang daming sports analyst sa Pilipinas at ang culture of hate was born. Malaki na ang pinagbago ng mundo ng basketball. Tama nga si Coach Yeng, medyo naiiwanan na tayo. Hopefully, with Coach Chat stepping down, we could start and change for the better. We are proud sa buong Gilas team. They have given their all for the pride of our country. Till next time mga papa, always remember dito sa Papa Sports World, ang opinion mo ay mahalaga. Bye-bye!